I'm going to kill. Why do I do this? Alright then. Hee. Looks like you could use some help from the big bitch of hell himself. Check it out, his phone reviews on Yelp. 5-star flawless, I'm a bitch. What the bitch? Fuck. What does he say? I don't know anymore because he talks so much, but I'm trying to be super cool. What the fuck is that? I don't know anymore. Hey, look, I'm finally taller than ha ha ha. Get my joke, bitch, because I'm the bitch of them all. I'm not the stitch, I'm just the shit. Who's been here since they won? No, I'm not a queen at all. I'm not even. Fuck. I'm going through anxiety and. Shut. I know why this bitch is in here. You say? This bitch doesn't sing in Japanese. Totally. I only know that she's a tiny little bitch. But first of all, she's smaller than Lucifer. Wait. It was on her short, but she's an infant. Shut the fuck up, this is music, totally, you know. Gnarly. They say when you're looking for a shorty, you go to Charlie's dad for more assistance. Others say that when you want a tall bitch who doesn't know what lightning strips are, go to Alistair. Or more like who I like to call his bitch, a fugly, ugly shorty king. The way you choose is better. What a bunch of igloos! The fuck is igloos? Oh, you tacky fuck! Yes, it's me. You don't know me, but I will tell you because I need honor too, and probably need to find out what a gym is. Wait, what is a gym? I'm in fucking Z. What the fuck is Mem fucking Z? I don't have a script. I just come up with these on the spot.